Idioms and phrases are essential part of language and communication. They add more depth to our conversation and writing. Idioms and phrases are expressions where the words together take on a different meaning rather than the original meaning of each word. Let's see an idiom to understand this further. The ball is in your court. If we see the actual meaning of this sentence, it says the ball is in your side. But if we see this as an idiom, it conveys us a different message. It means it's your turn to make action or decision. Let's see how this idiom will be used in a sentence. I've given you enough information. Now the ball is in your court. So, instead of telling you are responsible for making a decision or taking further action rests with you, or you have power to influence the situation, instead of telling these things, we can use the idiom the ball is in your court. Doesn't this sound creative and expressive? Yes, that is why idioms are used. Idioms can convey complex ideas, emotions, and concepts, making it more concise and efficient. It will be useful when trying to communicate lot of information with just few words. Idioms often involves unusual scenarios or humorous comparisons. Let's take this idiom. When pigs fly. Can a pig actually fly? No. So that's what this idiom is trying to convey. Let's see a sentence where this idiom is used. I'll clean my room as soon as the pigs fly. This sentence conveys the message that I don't have any intention to clean my room. Won't this catch listeners' attention and make them smile? Yes, and that is why idioms are used. There are so many idiomatic phrases in English language, like let the cat out of the bag, couch potato, piece of cake, and much more. Do watch the upcoming videos to know meaning of these idioms and start using it in the conversations to make it more colorful and memorable.